Now let's draw the journey chart and then we complete and fill out the information here. This tau x, this tau y. Alright, at 7 a.m. Car A left tau x for tau y. Similarly, 7 a.m. car B left tau y for tau x. Alright, and they travel at constant speed. And then we'll draw the line at the point where they pass each other at 2:30 p.m. nearer to tau y. The reason is because of this, because the two cars pass each other at 2:30 and then 5 hours later car A reached tau y but car B was still 150 km away from tau x. That shows that car A was traveling faster. Okay, that's why we draw more towards tau y. So 5 hours later car A already reached tau y. So from the point they met till tau y, car A took only 5 hours. Alright, at the same time, at this 5 hours later, okay, the car B hasn't reached tau x yet. It was still 150 km away. Alright, so we put it here. Okay, now the time taken until they met is from 7 a.m. to 2:30 p.m., which is 7.5 hours, 7.5 hours. Alright, so now we compare the hours taken because both cars were traveling at a constant speed. Alright, that's why we can compare time here. You see, for the same distance traveled, okay, for the same distance traveled, car A took only 5 hours, whereas car B took 7.5 hours. Similarly, for the first portion here, car A takes 7.5 hours. So what about car B? Car B will need to take 11.25 hours. Alright, because of the ratio. Alright, okay, we take 7.5 hours, divide by 5 hours, multiply by 7.5 hours, give us 11.25 hours. Okay, for car B to travel this distance. Okay, the remaining distance. Okay, so since from car B from here to here, alright, is 5 hours, so he will need to travel another 6.25 hours in order to finish the journey. Right? So then the total time taken, okay, total time taken for car B is 6.25 plus 5 plus 7.5, which is equal to 18.75. Okay, total time taken. But distance, okay, so total time taken divided by 6.25. Okay, for we are calculating the total distance. Okay, alright, so 25, because you see 6.25 hours he traveled 150 km. So for the entire total time taken 18.75 hours, he will take 18.75 divided by 6.25 times 150 km. That works out to be the distance of 450 km. Alright, for the entire distance that car B traveled, which is similar to car A. So distance between tau x and tau y was 450 km. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.